Like the insurance market, regulation is not static, and the NAIC is developing new tools that make our work more effective. The Life Insurance and Annuities Committee took on the challenging task of finalizing the bifurcated approach to issues surrounding Actuarial Guideline 38. This effort began when issues concerning the use of AG 38 came to our attention in 2011. Since then, NAIC members committed to finding a resolution that ensured adequate reserves to protect consumers while maintaining a level playing field in competitive markets for companies issuing these products. Together, the Life Insurance and Annuities Committee and the Financial Condition Committee developed a solution to provide uniform regulatory guidance for both states and companies. These revisions were adopted last summer. The Financial Condition Committee developed and adopted a model act that will enable implementation of own risk and solvency assessment reporting by insurance group. The Risk Management and Own Risk and Solvency Assessment Model Act is an essential element in our effort to modernize the U.S. approach to the regulation of insurance groups and will become effective in 2015 with the first reports required that year. The model follows our recent work on the NAIC Model Company Holding Act, which has been adopted in 10 states at the close of 2012. Another step towards modernizing our oversight was the adoption of the Valuation Manual. This is an important step forward for the regulation of insurance reserving practices and enhanced consumer protections. The manual contains details of principle-based approach to establishing insurance company reserves that will better protect consumers from insurer insolvency and assure companies can fulfill its obligations to policyholders. The NAIC also voted to create an executive-level joint working group of the Life Insurance and Annuities and Financial Condition Committees to ensure that consumers are represented as a transition to the principle-based reserving is developed. The Reinsurance Task Force submitted recommendations for an optional standard to be incorporated into the current accreditation standard for reinsurance ceded, allowing states to adopt collateral reductions for non-admitted insurers. Based on the task force recommendation, the Financial Regulation Standards and Accreditation Committee approved a waiver and voted to consider these proposed revisions on an expedited basis. Currently, 11 states have enacted reduced collateral provisions, with other states considering proposals. These states represent a substantial portion of the U.S. reinsurance market. We look forward to coordinating with the Federal Insurance Office as additional states work to implement these important reforms.